Hi guys, so calling all product junkies. If you're a product junkie, please keep watching. So today I'm coming to you because I have not purchased any products since November of last year. So November 2019, Black Friday, that's the only time I purchase products when they're on sale. So today I'm going to show you what I purchased after my buying freeze. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I purchased a ton of products, not a ton of products, but my stash was low on deep conditioner. So that was my motivation of purchasing from Sally's. So here's what I got. So I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. So it is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. So I'm all about deep conditioning my natural hair. I started deep conditioning when I transitioned. I've been deep conditioning weekly. I may have missed maybe a handful in my entire 3 years of being natural. I celebrate 3 years on July 25th, so I don't know how I'm gonna celebrate, but anyway. So Camille Rose Algae Renew, I'm excited. It's cocoa and mango butter. So Camille Rose, the recipe for beauty, deep conditioning mask, cocoa and mango butter, a vitamin-packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae. Interesting. Leave a comment if you've tried this. That's why I don't wear lipstick. Lipstick all on cheek. Bear with me. Bear with me. Okay, here we go with the Honey Miracle Mask. So all taped up, sis. All taped up. I'm going to leave it taped up because you know me. I like opening stuff. This is the Thank God It's Natural TGIN Honey Miracle Mask. Honey Miracle Hair Mask with raw honey and olive oil. Yeah, goat. I used this when I first began my natural hair journey, like the first year. I purchased this so many times. Always good to get something that you know will work in your hair. Don't always buy, you know, everything new. Have a tried and true somewhere so you'll know if your hair is like a mess. If it's dry, you can just go to that and it'll magically fix everything. Not really, but kinda, sort of. Another tried and true is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask. It's infused with biotin, vitamin A, B, C, and D. And yeah, I've used this like my first or second year as being a natural. I think I've purchased this 2 times before. Great deep conditioner, great line. I have to try the 24 karat gold gel. Leave a comment down below if you're ready to see that review. But this, also leave a comment down below if you've tried this. This is GOAT to me. Like, you can't go wrong. They're normally like 20 bucks, but I think Sally's had a 20% off or 30% off sale for this. So always catch a sale. The Main Choice always has a sale sometime. So just follow them on Instagram or follow your favorite brands on Instagram to see when they have sales. Also sign up for their like email newsletters, things of that nature, to be in the know of when they have sales, because it's important to catch a sale as a natural. My next product that I purchased from Sally Beauty. So I'm big on my scalp. So scalp care, just my scalp. I'm big on scalp care. So if it's good for my scalp, I'm all for it. If it makes my scalp tingle, I'm all for it. So I was looking, I think I did this like late night. This is the Texture ID Dry Hair and Scalp Relief with Eucalyptus Exfoliating Shampoo and Scalp Scrub. Gently exfoliates, loosening impurities and buildup on hair and scalp, plus aloe cocoa butter for curly to coily hair types. This is a newbie. Never tried this before. I want to see if it tingles. Who likes a tingling shampoo to make your hair feel refreshed? I do. I do. Sign me up. Where are they? So if you know of any other tingling shampoos, leave it down in the comments below. I love to try tingling shampoos. Gotta get my scalp right. You have to get your scalp right for growth. Healthy scalp, healthy hair, it promotes growth. A healthy scalp promotes growth. Remember that. Texture ID. I have never tried any Texture ID products, so I'm intrigued. So leave a comment down below if you've tried this before. This is the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive and Tea Tree Oil Shampoo. Now, I've tried their co-wash. I'm not a big co-wash girl. I need my scalp to be cleaned. Cleaned, sis. I need it to be clean, and I don't need any buildup on my scalp. And so I tried this co-wash. I loved it. I felt like it acted similar to their original coconut co-wash, and however, it tingled. So I loved that about it. However, if I'm not big on co-washes, I don't want any residue left on my scalp. And not saying that it gave residue, but I just rather try the shampoo to see if it did the same thing. Like, I like the squeaky clean feeling on my scalp, and so I'm gonna see if this do that. Let me know if it do that, if you've tried it. That's all I purchased from Sally's. Now I'm going to go to my Walmart. My Walmart haul, because before I got the Sally's products, I needed a deep conditioner. I only had my little Dove deep conditioner that I tried, and I needed a tried and true deep conditioner that I knew would work. So let's see what it is. Can you guess what the tried and true deep conditioners that I purchased are? I got one new one, but let's see. So if your hair is thirsty, dry, parched, if that's your hair, yeah, no matter what hair type, no matter what coil pattern, no matter what porosity, no matter what density, no matter what strand, whatever, Each and every natural hair girl needs to get this. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I've done my research. This is the Manuka and Honey Amphora Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask with Fig Extract and Baobab Oil. Baobab Oil? Baobab Oil. If you don't do anything else as a natural, if you don't do anything else, forget all of the it's not 100% black owned, forget all that, because what works, works. I understand. I'm here for the culture. I am a black girl, black woman, 100%. And you have to go with what works. And I understand that there are black owned brands that work just as good. Leave a comment down below if you found a 100% black owned company that works just as good as this. Now, Soultanicals works and Algae Naturals works as well. This hit that price point too though. You know, that price point, that $9.99, $11. You can find it easily in any Walmart. Just saying. GOAT. Greatest of all times. Get you some. At least one. My next GOAT is a strengthening protein that won't overload your hair with protein. Like, protein moisture balance is a tricky thing. So do your research, test your hair. It's a whole thing. And I am not a Shea Moisture ambassador. However, they just put out good products. To me, some of their OG products are staples, and so they work. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And it's for natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair. So this is GOAT. It smells mediocre. It smells like Play-Doh to me, but it works. It works. So try it. If you haven't tried it, try it. You always can try a deep conditioner, sis. That's one thing that I always try. If I don't try creams and gels and things of that nature, I'll always try someone's deep conditioner. So leave a comment down below on some bomb deep conditioners that you know of, that you would like to share with moi. Why didn't y'all tell me I had lipstick on my teeth? See, that's why I just wear lip gloss. Do you see? Because when you talk, I know they tell you to, there's a way to make it not touch your teeth. It doesn't work all the time. Nothing is foolproof. Anyway, I get into this hair. Side note, get into this hair. Have you seen my latest video about this hair? It might come out before or after this. Not sure, but click the bell notifications to be notified of when this review comes out, because she moisturized. She's moisturized. Okay, one more product. I went on a kind of a Shea Moisture binge in Walmart. I've never tried this. So this is the Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado with Kale, Matcha, and Green Algae Power Greens Reconstructor. Nourish and transform weak, dull, curly, coily hair. So I'm here for it. I've never seen it. I'm interested in it. I haven't opened it. I haven't used it. Let me know if you've tried this before. And yeah, so always get a deep conditioner. If you have anything else, always keep a deep conditioner in your rotation. I live by them as a natural. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you've tried any of these products in my new product haul? Not a product stash, in my product haul from Sally's and Walmart. So let me know, and see you next time.